Welcome back to Milesweb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to configure contact form with SMTP PHP mail using SitePad. Steps to configure contact form with PHP mail. Log in to cPanel. Scroll down to Software and click on SitePad Website Builder. Click on the admin panel icon of the website on which you want to configure the contact form. From the left side menu of the admin panel, go to Settings and click on Contact Form. Fill the required information in the given fields. In the To Email text box, enter the email ID on which you will receive your contact form email. In the From Email text box, enter the email through which your contact form email will be sent. In the Subject text box, enter the subject of the contact form. In the Additional Headers text box, you can add additional email address. In the Messages section, you can edit the text for success message, failed message, or reCAPTCHA failed message. After filling all the fields as per your preference, click on Save Changes to save the changes done. Steps to configure contact form with SMTP mail. On the same dashboard, from the left side menu of the admin panel, go to Advanced and click on SMTP mail. The SMTP mail settings page will get displayed. Tick on the Enable SMTP checkbox to configure contact form with SMTP mail. In the SMTP host, enter your mail server. Select the type of encryption from None, SSL, and TLS. Enter the SMTP port number. Click on Yes for SMTP authentication. Enter the SMTP username and password to log into your mail server. Keep the Disable SSL certificate verification option unchecked, as it is important to verify SSL certificate for security reasons. After filling all the fields as per your preference, click on Save Changes to save the changes done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.